More than a week since the Pahalgam terror attack, which killed the lives of 26 innocent tourists, here, many thousands of miles away in London, just outside the Indian High Commission, the Indian Embassy, you can see a huge, massive Indian flag has been put up as a statement to withhold, to stand by the Indian side and also to defend India's stance, and as a response to protesters from the opposite side. There's a huge police presence, as you can see, to safeguard the building. We've been asked to keep walking. Sunil Chopra ji, it's a working day for you as a councillor, but you're here. What brings you here? What is your message?
I'm here to condemn the terrorism, what happened in India, and also anywhere in the world. So we are not supporting these people. We are condemning them. So that's the reason I'm here. I want to support my country.
Yes.
I want to support my people. I want to support India, and especially the people, those who died for no reason, only because they've been Hindu. It's a shame of the people, those who killed them. And I'm very disappointed to see these people are supported by our next door neighbor enemies, Pakistanis, that they are here to condemn all these and they're supporting what happened. So this is a very sad day for us.
Thank you. Thanks for sharing that, Sunil Chopra ji. I'm bringing you images from just outside the Indian High Commission. Liaison officers are speaking to the Indian community members as well as the protesting side, which is the Pakistan High Commission side. Indian supporters are here in numbers. There were messages shared on WhatsApp groups about being here, being present on India's side, just to give a response to the protesting side, which is the Pakistan side. And I'm trying to get you images which you probably can't see behind the buses. There is a very small number of protesters who are representing Pakistan and Khalistan. But here on the Indian side, there are members who are standing against terrorism. United India stands against terrorism. Ladies, what brings you here on a working day? And share with me what your thoughts are at the moment.
Agrees what has happened in Kashmir, and I'm a Hindu. They were on holiday, and that terrible thing happened to them, and they were killed.
Bharat
So we
Mata ki!
protested against them.
Bharat Mata ki!
Yeah, the same reason, the Delhi attack on tourists in Kashmir, that was very disheartening. And we are here to oppose anti-India forces who are actually supporting these terrorists here.
Supporting India, standing against anti-India forces. And here are protests by Indian supporters, Indian diaspora members, huge police presence just to make sure that there is no law and order incident, mainly because the Indian embassy was attacked in the past by Pakistani and Khalistani supporters. So these are live images coming to you from central London outside the Indian High Commission. Radhika Iyer from London, NDTV.